Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee, and today I will discuss about two equations. These two equations are used widely in many chapters in many subjects of commerce. I have come across many students who don't have proper understanding of these two equations. So today I have decided to analyze in detail these two equations. Question is, cost of sales rupees 1,50,000. Profit is 20% of sales. Calculate the sales price and the amount of profit. So all of us know cost plus profit is equal to sales. So we have three variables. One is cost, the second one is profit, and the third one is sales. So we have to reduce this three variable into two variables, because in a linear equation you have two variables. So cost plus 20% of sales is equal to sales. So profit can be either as a percentage of cost or as a percentage of sales. In this question, we have profit 20% of sales. So sales minus 20% of sales is equal to cost, or 80% sales is equal to 1,50,000. Or sales is equal to 1,50,000 divided by 80%. So this gives 1,87,500. And profit is the difference of selling price and the cost price. So profit is equal to 1,87,500 minus 1,50,000. So this is equal to rupees 37,500. Alternatively, this problem can be solved in this way. So let the cost price or sales price here, in this case sales is rupees 100, cost given as 20% of sales, so rupees, profit is given as 20% of sales. So here rupees 20, and cost is the difference between the selling price and the cost profit. So cost is equal to rupees 80. Now cost of sales given as rupees 1,50,000. So this represents 80%. Therefore, sales is equal to 1,50,000 into 100 by 80 is rupees 1,87,500. Profit is equal to 1,50,000 into 20 by 80. So this will be equal to rupees 37,500. So the second problem is commission is paid to manager at 10% of net profit after charging such commission. Profit before charging commission calculated at rupees 44,000. Calculate the amount of commission and the net profit. So in problem number 2, profit before commission minus commission is equal to profit after commission. So this profit after commission is nothing but the net profit. This is the net profit. So the same principle, the same concept that we have applied in the previous problem, the same concept is applied here with big difference. So here profit before commission is given as rupees 44,000. We don't know the amount of commission. So in this equation also we have three unknown variable: profit before commission, commission and profit after commission. So we have to reduce these three variables into two variables. So in place of commission we are writing as 10% of net profit is equal to net profit. So 44,000 is the profit before commission minus commission, which is the 10% of net profit, is equal to net profit. So or net profit plus 10% of net profit is equal to 44,000, or net profit is equal to 44,000 into 100 by 110. So this gives you 40,000. So therefore commission is equal to 10% of net profit. So this will be rupees 4,000. These two equations are very widely used in commerce. So we have tried to explain in detail these two equations. Hope you have understood the problems that I have discussed today. I request all the students of commerce who have viewed my channel to subscribe to my channel. If you have any query, any question in commerce, relating to commerce, then you can post your questions there. I will definitely answer to your questions. Thank you.